Danasradim and Factory. More than 61,000 registered users who are trying to find a wanted job. 77% of them are visiting Danasradim portal with their mobile phones while watching their favorite TV show or listening to music and ignoring mom's question on why is that mobile phone so special. Let's face challenges in front of us. How to present a successful web portal to the new audience. Enable current users a place they already know. Create an app suited for the workers. What to do with people who use more than one device while searching for a job. Enable multi-platform experience. Let's move on to the actual work. Registration process for an easy apply. Get things done by browsing all job listings. See, Mom, I'm looking for jobs. Show your mom on how many jobs you applied. Finding a job is also a job, but it's easier with a little laugh. Push harder and get the wanted job. Results: more than 5,300 downloads. Google App Store, 4.5 stars. Apple Store, 5 stars. Average of 2,000 monthly active users. Top 3 sources for finding a job in Croatia. Multi-platform experience enabled. Or, next time your mom asks you what are you doing on your mobile phone so much, the only answer is, I'm looking for a job, and with just one click, I'm ready to answer questions where I see myself in the next 5 years. Download Danasradim app and try it yourself, and make your mom proud.